If you're struggling with damaged lungs, shortness of breath, or a chronic cough, what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. There's an ancient root that has been used for over 4,000 years, which can reverse lung damage in ways modern medicine is just beginning to understand. But here's the thing, most people are using it completely wrong. They're missing the one critical step that makes this root up to 2,000% more bioavailable to your lungs. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare it the right way for maximum lung healing power. This isn't some trendy superfood, this is ancient medicine backed by over 300 clinical studies.